In today's video, I'm going to teach you, is Microsoft Loop worth using in Teams yet? If you've heard about Microsoft Loop and wondered whether it's ready for everyday collaboration inside Teams, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to use it and what to expect. We'll create a Loop component directly in a chat or a channel so your team can co-edit live without jumping to another app. Start by opening Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, choose where the collaboration should happen. A private chat is great for quick, focused work with a few people, while a channel post keeps the content visible and searchable for the whole team. Either option supports Loop in much the same way, so pick the spot that matches the audience you want. Look at the message compose area at the bottom. Just beneath the text box, you'll see an icon for Loop components. It typically appears alongside other messaging tools like emojis and attachments. Before you click it, make sure the message box is empty. That matters because Teams treats Loop as its own kind of message. If there's stray text left in the box, it may assume you're sending a regular message instead of inserting a live component. Now click the Loop components icon and choose the format that fits your scenario. A table works well for quick summaries or side-by-side comparisons. A checklist is perfect when you want simple yes-no completion. A task list adds owners and due dates, which helps with accountability. A voting table is handy when you need to gather opinions and make a decision right in the thread. Pick the one that gets your point across with the least friction. With the component inserted, add your initial text or data. Keep headers clear and concise so others immediately understand how to contribute. If you're setting up tasks, assign owners and add sensible due dates up front to reduce back and forth. The goal is to seed the component with just enough structure that your teammates can jump in confidently. When you're ready, click Send in a chat or Post in a channel. The Loop component appears as a live editable block. Everyone in that space can now type at the same time, and you'll see updates appear instantly. This makes it ideal for stand-ups, planning checklists, lightweight roadmaps, or quick polls where speed and clarity matter. So, is Microsoft Loop worth using in Teams yet for fast, shared edits and decisions right inside your conversation? Absolutely. It's a lightweight way to align people without spawning separate documents. Try it in your next chat or channel post and see how much smoother collaboration can feel.